Okay, this is the last C801 I was yet to clear, so finally I get to clear it. Yay. And why do all the C801s have this map which it doesn't include downtown line? And okay, they put a white cover over Panjang Junction because Panjang Junction is dead. Oh, it's a C801A. Wonder what that train ticker is. Because I have no idea. For sure. Is it me or am I gonna have to make a run? Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine for now. Okay, we're good. We are so good. Okay, this is the station. So bye.